There are a lot of these kinds of automated comments. Normally, if you comment manually, it takes a lot of time, but the software will do it automatically for you and can handle a large volume. In a single day, you can automatically post hundreds or even thousands of comments like this. And these are exactly the methods that my clients are using and applying very effectively. This is the software interface. The software will help you manage an unlimited number of Facebook accounts. As you can see on the screen, I currently own a lot of Facebook accounts, over 5,000 Facebook accounts. That's it. And next, my software includes a lot of features like posting, commenting, and messaging. But in this video, I'll show you how to automatically comment on posts, specifically on your competitors' ads. Here, you'll select the commenting section. First, you need to get the ID, the post ID. You just need to enter the post ID into the software. Now, I'll go back to Facebook. And I'll pick a post like this one, a post about the FC Online game. I'm gonna copy the link to this post. So now I'll convert the link to an ID. You just need to paste the Facebook link right here, and the software, or actually the website, will automatically convert it to the post ID for you. Then you go back to the software and enter the post ID you just got. Just hit new here. Next, you'll select the content you want to use for commenting. Here, you can choose the content you want. Then, you'll pick the categories of Facebook accounts you want to use for the automatic commenting. That's it, you just need to click the start button. The software will automatically open all these Facebook accounts. As you can see, the software starts by automatically logging into each account one by one. After that, the software will automatically take you to that post. And it will automatically comment using the content you selected. Here, it's really quick. I'm running 10 accounts at the same time right now. You can totally set it up to run 10, 20, or even 30 accounts at once if you want. As you can see, there are a lot of posts here that have already been completed successfully. See, that's one success, another success right here. And there's a history section so you can check and review everything. Here, I'll go into the history section now. Here are the post histories right here. See, it's successful, and you even have the post links and comment links right here. Now I'm gonna go back to Google. For example, this post here has very few comments. Here, and I'll reload the post now. See, these are all comments that I just used the software to post automatically. There are a lot, right? Yeah, there are a ton, all following my content. So with this, you can comment directly on your competitors' ad posts. That way, you can attract your competitors' customers to your own website. You can even put your website link right in the comment section. That's it. And the software is still automatically posting comments for you. See? Each account has already successfully posted 2 comments, 2 different pieces of content. And these accounts will keep commenting until your settings are finished. Right now, I've set it so that each account posts 4 different comments. Now, I'm gonna reload the post from earlier. See, the number of comments has gone up a lot. There you go. There are a ton of these automated comments like this. Normally, if you comment manually, it takes a lot of time, but the software will do it automatically for you and can handle a large volume. In a single day, you can automatically post hundreds or even thousands of comments like this. And these are exactly the methods my clients are using.